Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. It's Saturday, so it's card making day, and this week I've got a different card. I usually make my 2 sketch challenge cards, but this week I've also got a monthly challenge card, which is the Joy of Sets October challenge. Fiona sets a challenge each month, as well as challenges throughout the month, and this month it is autumn themed. So I've got a 5x5 very vanilla base, and then I'm using a grey cardstock on top of that, and I think this is basic grey, I'm not sure, I think it is, which is retired. I'm always using up scraps, and that's what I've tried to do for this. I just looked through for some grey. What I used was a DSP stack from last year that I never really used, and this is one of the papers that I got from it, and it's got a grey in it, a dark grey, and I thought, you know, I'll just look for a grey to go along with it, and this is the one I found in my scraps, and so it was big enough, and so I'm using it. And then on top of that, I'm going to be popping a piece of pumpkin pie, which is 1/8 of an inch smaller again. But before I do that, this strip here is going to hook over the top. This strip of vellum is going to hook over the top of that. So what I want to do, so what I want to do is I want to stick my bits onto this one first. So I'm sticking on a piece of this autumnal paper, DSP. I'm sticking on another piece of the grey. And then I've just stamped out a basket with pumpkins in it, which I got from this lovely set that I found on eBay. And I just fussy cut that around. I did a little bit of colouring with a aqua blender, which I'll insert here. And then I've just, like I said, I just fussy cut around it, and I fussy cut even less fussy around another piece of grey, just to give it something to back off against. And then I got a doily, and I just cut it in half basically, and I'm just going to use that to what I've done is I've just sort of edged it across. I'm just going to put it across like the edge of that paper, like that, just to again give the background to, just to give a bit of background to the pumpkins, and just to add a little bit of something. And then I got some vellum, and I used the same stamp set, and I heat embossed it in gold with some of the words and some falling leaves. It's really cute, from that same stamp set, and I think I've got a little clip of me doing that here. And then all I did was I've just cut it to sort of just come short of the bottom of this layer, just so that it stands up and flips. I'm just going to stick all of this onto here, and then I can attach the vellum, and then we're done. So that's my little challenge entry this month, and I'll see you all very soon actually, because I've got quite a few videos going out over the next couple of days. Christmas card tomorrow for the Joy of Sets. I normally do a Christmas card for the Joy of Sets on a Sunday. That card tomorrow is going to be the blog hop. So there's a blog hop going on the Joy of Sets tomorrow. So come and have a check out of that. Have a check out on my blog anyway, if you don't already visit it. Anyway, so thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.